far as modifying this strategy, it should be really similar to the practice of shared reading, so much so that if you have not implemented shared reading into your classroom, that's something that needs to happen first. Because a lot of these strategies happen naturally in shared reading. So, and that's where all of that modeling is taking place, especially for those younger students, for kindergartners. So, shared reading needs to take place beforehand, and it shouldn't be too different. And actually, based on the level of your students, their ability level, you can steer kind of further and further away from shared reading as they are able to do so. This strategy includes a lot of teacher support, especially at such a young age. It should be used with challenging texts. It shouldn't be used with texts for students that are not challenging. So based on their level, you need to make sure that it's something that the text is challenging enough that this strategy makes sense for them to be able to use it. It should follow the same guidelines for implementation as mentioned in the previous slide, just with different texts and strategies based on the ability of the readers who are being worked with. So it should naturally differentiate based on the groups that you're working with one at a time.